Extended shutdown of your VC4 or VC5 convection oven. In this video, we will cover how to complete an extended shutdown for your Vulcan VC4 or VC5 convection oven. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. When putting the oven into an extended shutdown period, switch the master switch to cool. Leave the oven doors open while the fan is on to cool the oven. After the oven is cooled sufficiently, close the oven doors, switch the master switch to off, and turn off the gas supply to the oven. Warning: for electric convection ovens, disconnect electrical power to the machine and follow lockout-tagout procedures before extended shutdown. When starting your oven back up after an extended shutdown, check for any damage to the unit before restarting the oven. Always make sure to check all gas and electrical connections before starting up your convection oven. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan convection oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.